This driver got into a bit of argument with other driver who purposely blocked free parking space.
Oh, now he's mad.
What are you doing? Move! Go one way or the other.
So now he's mad.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Please. Please, Your Highness, take the spot, Your Highness. Cool story, bro. Take the spot, Your Highness. Come on. Quit jacking off and move. Christ. What are you, 4? Grow the up.
Oh, he hurt his feelings right there for sure.
Oh, what the fuck, man?
Holy moly.
Are they even seeing what they're
You
doing?
gotta look.
Ontario driver, man.
What? You can't make a left there. One way. What?
Bro.
Oh my god.
Bro. What
the hell?
Who is she yelling at now? she's pointing at someone.
Check out this bad driver in front. He almost caused an accident.
5 years from now, he'll be considered
Oh my!
a striker.
That is the shittest idiot I've ever seen.
This here
That is how not to drive.
Embarrassing.
Can't control his clutch, and he just goes. Doesn't matter what's coming his way. The guy is so lucky there's not an accident.
What?
Jesus.
Huh? What?
This dumbass here was darting over. Oh my god.
Oh my
Record
god.
video.
Someone's gonna get killed on this freaking
Record video.
You should never overtake somebody who is turning left.
Got his blinker on.
Oh, you're trying to kill me.
I'm slowly putting some stuff up.
Watch out, watch out!
Whoa! What the?
What do you think? What caused this driver to completely go in wrong lane?
Did he hit me at all?
No.
You didn't give any signal.
Oh, god damn it!
This driver thought that car was moving and he accelerating, resulting in rear-end collision. Luckily, there was only a minor damage.
I don't really have anything.
Yeah, I would like to exchange information.
Sure.
Yeah, I'll just pull over here. Or actually, let's go in there so we don't get hit again. Has my kids in the car, so.
Okay. No! Blind cop!
We're waiting over there. We got a whole line of cars waiting over there too.
I'm right here. Just because you're faster doesn't mean you get to come in front.
Hey.
Because I already engaged in here. I'm here.
Me too. I'm sitting there waiting for one to open up. This one was for this one. He decided to move up, so that's why I moved in.
So he took my space.
Well, I'm not taking your space. You should bitch at him, not me.
I'm not bitching with you, but I'm right in the middle and I'm already
It's just a scooter. I got 5 gallons. That's it.
Wasting time arguing.
Yeah, I know. Hey.
Jesus Christ.
It's not your fault. Fucking hell.
Check out how it looks like when tire blows up while driving on highway.
on golf for a minute.
Bro!
What the hell?
Minivan pulls out in front of this trucker. Luckily, he manages to brake in time. This is why you should adjust your speed to the road conditions. Unsecured load can cause a big mess on the highway.
America's listening to
Okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.